Hello all, welcome back to Aspire World. Today I will share one-liners of all the important current affairs for 20th May 2020. So let's start. Decline in export. The Federation of Indian Export Organizations reported that the export from India is expected to fall by 20%, around $50 to $60 billion in the current fiscal year due to COVID-19 pandemic. It is also suggested a decline in imports. FIEO directed the exporters to improve their competitiveness in the global market. Charan Paduka Initiative. Madhya Pradesh state government launched the Charan Paduka Initiative. The first of its kind of initiative is for the migrant laborers passing through Madhya Pradesh. Under the Charan Paduka campaign, the migrant laborers who are heading back to their native land will be provided shoes and slippers to reduce their pain. Cerberus Trojan. The Central Bureau of Investigation has sent alert to all the states, union territories, and the central agencies on a malicious software Cerberus threat that is making advantage of the COVID-19 pandemic. Cerberus is a banking Trojan. It is primarily used to steal the financial data such as credit card numbers. The cyber alert related to the Cerberus has been sent on the basis of input received from the Interpol. Carbon emissions. The Center for International Climate and Environmental Research has evaluated COVID-19's effect on carbon emissions. It has predicted that emissions will fall between 4.2 and 7.5% on last year, as against a rise of 1% which was earlier predicted for 2020 before the pandemic outbreak. In India, the nationwide lockdown led to a minimal air pollution and improved the air quality. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, released Rs 20,500 crore to cooperative banks and regional rural banks for on-lending. The disbursement to RRBs and cooperative banks is the part of Rs 25,000 crore of Special Refinance Plan which was approved by the Reserve Bank of India. Garbage-free cities. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs announced result of the star rating of garbage-free cities for the assessment year 2019-2020. A total of 6 cities have been certified as 5-star, 65 cities as 3-star, and 70 cities as 1-star. The 5-star cities include Ambikapur, Chhattisgarh, Surat and Rajkot, Gujarat, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Cyclone Amphan. The Indian Meteorological Department alerted Cyclone Amphan, which has developed into a super cyclone in the Bay of Bengal on 19th May. The intensification of the storm from Category 1 cyclone to Category 5 in less than 18 hours. Cyclone Amphan is linked with climate change. Shikatkar Committee of Experts. Government has decided to implement 3 important recommendations of the Shikatkar Committee of Experts. The COE is headed by the chairmanship of Lieutenant General D.B. Shikatkar. The recommendations are related to border infrastructures like speeding up road constructions leading to socio-economic development in the border areas. The government has implemented recommendations of COEs to outsource road construction work beyond optimal capacity of border road organization. The United Nations Relief and Work Agencies UNRWA has applauded India's financial support to keep its basic services operating under the COVID-19 crisis. The Government of India provided $2 million to the UNRWA in support of its core program and services, including education and health. India had increased its annual contribution to the UNRWA from $1.25 million in 2016 to $5 million in 2019. So that's all. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, post it down below in the comment sections. We will be posting such videos daily. So hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any update. You can also get the PDF of one-liners of the entire month from our website. I have attached the link in description. Thanks for watching.